All right, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and I know this is gonna take some of y'all way back because it took me back. One of my childhood favorites. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this hamburger hash. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. So let's go over our ingredients real quick. Back here we have some ground beef, our potatoes here. I just diced them in, small pieces, bite-sized pieces. We have our onions here, got some ketchup for sweetness, beef broth, red bell peppers, chili powder, black pepper, some smoked paprika, fresh chopped parsley, some thyme, olive oil, salt. I think I said chopped garlic. If I didn't, we got chopped garlic, and we got some butter right there. Guys, very easy recipe, quick and simple. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up our olive oil and our butter. We're gonna do this over a medium heat. We're gonna add our diced potatoes, and we're gonna cook these for about 8 to 10 minutes. And I'm gonna hit these potatoes with a little seasoned salt and a little black pepper. All right, so after that 8 to 10 minutes, what you're looking for in these potatoes is that golden color that we see right here. That looks good. So now we're gonna go in with our red bell peppers, our onions, and we're gonna cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes, getting it all mixed in. All right, after that 3 to 4 minutes, guys, we're gonna kind of move this aside, and we're gonna go in with our ground beef, and we're gonna get this broken up until it's brown and no longer pink. And we're gonna start it right here in this space on the side and incorporate it with our potatoes shortly. All right, so now we're gonna start mixing it together. Since we're finishing the browning process, we're gonna mix this in with our potatoes. Once our potatoes are brown, we're gonna go in with our salt, our pepper, chili powder, smoked paprika, our thyme, and our garlic. We're gonna get this mixed well, about a minute. All right, once that's mixed, we're gonna go in with our beef broth and our ketchup. And we're gonna turn our heat down to a simmer, get that mixed in. And now we're just gonna let this simmer for the next 8 to 10 minutes until those potatoes are fully tender and the mixture is gonna slightly thicken. All right, before we keep going, I wanna share something with you guys that you've been asking me for, and it's still not a chef. My highly anticipated cookbook that's finally up for pre-order. Yep, no complicated steps, no chef rules, just food that makes sense in real life. So if this sounds like your vibe, grab your copy at the link in the video description. All right, so we're 10 minutes in. Let's take a look at this. Our mixture has thickened up. If you've ever eaten hash, you know the hash is not runny. It's dry just like this. So we're good. We're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna head over to our cutting board, put a last touch on it, get it plated up, and jump into quality control. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some final garnishments, nothing much else to do. You know we're gonna add that green stuff. And there you have it, guys, Hamburger Hash. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Let me know if this was ever one of your go-to meals in your childhood or even now. All right, we're gonna get this baby plated up and we're gonna jump into quality control. All right, you already know what time it is, quality control, and we got groceries. We got groceries, and we always bring them to the front of the congregation. Let's taste this baby out. I mean, you can't go wrong with potatoes and ground beef, guys. You just can't. And I didn't go wrong. And what I like about this, it's filling and it's a budget meal. It doesn't cost a lot to make it. I know ground beef is expensive now, but still, doesn't really cost that much to make it. And guys, you'll definitely enjoy it. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. Listen, I'm going crazy over these potatoes and ground beef. Y'all already know who I am. All rings everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.